Guys, this is M Sneeze, and today I'll be unboxing. You guys ready for this? Rayquaza and Keldeo Battle Deck. Rayquaza and Keldeo Battle Arena decks. So, it comes with the two EX cards, Keldeo EX and Rayquaza EX. I like this because they aren't like promo cards. They're actually the actual cards. And look, as you can see, they're not promo cards if you didn't know. By the bottom here, it's a number instead of a promo symbol. I don't have a promo card with me right now, but I'll show you guys one. Well, I already showed, there's one in the Rayquaza opening. The Mega Blaziken opening, my phone, like I said, crashed, so I'll just show the rare cards I got from it. So, on the back, it says, two mighty Pokemon battle for victory. Rayquaza and Keldeo head-to-head in the new Pokemon TCG Battle Arena decks. These two 60 card decks are ready to play right away with powerful cards and winning strategies worthy of an ace trainer. Each deck is led by an exceptional Pokemon EX and includes 10 foil cards. Let the battle begin. Sorry, I can't really read that because I can't. It mirrors it on the thingy. This includes, of course, the Keldeo deck includes Keldeo, Blastoise, Wartortle, Squirtle, Melodic. There's two Keldeo EXs, two Blastoises, two Wartortles, three Squirtles, two Melodics, two Feebasses, one Octillery, one Remoraid, two Laprases, one Articuno, one Regice, one Ace in the Hole, one Archie's Ace in the Hole, one Bianca, two Dive Balls, one Escape Rope, one Fisherman, one Karen, one Lysander, one End, and one Professor Birch's Observation, two Professor Sycamores, one Professor's Letter, two Rare Candies, two Rough Seas, one Shauna, one Skyla, two Superior Energy Retrieval, one Teammates, one Tierno, two Ultra Balls, one Verseeker, 8 Energy foil cards, 7 Energy, Water Energies, and then everything is the same except for there is Fire Energy, four Fire Energies that are foil in the Rayquaza deck, 4 Lightning Energies foil, 4 Fire Energy, and 5 Lightning Energy, 2 Rayquazas, 2 Electrics, 1 Tynamo, 2 Raichus, 3 Pikachus, 2 Dedennis, 1 Zekrom, 2 Zapdos, Zapdoses, 2 Victinis, 1 AZ, 2 Battle Compressors, 1 Bianca, 2 Float Zones, 1 Karen, 2 Level Balls, 1 Lysander, 1 N, 1 Pokemon Fan Club, 1 Professor Birch's Observation, 2 Professor Sycamores, 1 Professor's Letter, Shauna, There's one Shauna, two Skyro bridges, one Skyla, two switches, one Tierno, two Ultra balls, and one Verse Seeker, and then I said the Fire Energy foils, 4 Lightning Energy foil card, 4, and 2 normal Fire Energies, and 5 Lightning Energies. Sorry that it took so long, it's sort of confusing. So, yeah. These don't come off. I don't actually really don't. Okay, so you do this. You open it from here. Sorry it took like 5 minutes to. Like, I don't want to break this box, so I'm just gonna try to open it carefully. Carefully, I guess. Oh, freak, this is actually pretty hard. So I just need to open it like this. Oh crap, I damaged the box, but it's fine, whatever. Not the end of the world. Remember, be careful with the knives. Because, like, I cut myself last time. I used one, because, like, I was still a beginner. I didn't really know how to use the knives. Like, I cut my thumb, pretty much. Not my thumb, but my knuckle with it. Don't know how. Oh, frick. I'm gonna stab the card. No, I didn't. I didn't stab anything. Okay. That was actually pretty good. Easy. Not easy, but not confusing. Yeah. It's actually pretty hard to open though. A lie. This box is broken. Okay, this box is probably just meant to like. This box, like, it's so hard to open, and it's like there's a bunch of glue on it. Don't do that. Sorry, I'm just cleaning it. This is like taking so long just to open this. Okay. This box is not destroyed. Now we finally almost have it out. Almost. And now we have it out. This box is destroyed. So, here is the Keldeo. I'm just going to take it out like this. There's 2 coins in the back. So, have damage counters and poison. Blastoise coin. I don't know why that's there. Oh yeah, because Blastoise. And Rayquaza coin. Instructions. Or playmat instructions. Playmat or instruction. Oh, frick. Code card. I got a code card. And here are the decks. So the decks are, the box is cool by itself too. Rayquaza and Keldeo. And it's pretty much the same thing on the back. So I'll put these aside. Okay, here's the Keldeo. Here is Keldeo and Rayquaza. Keldeo. Put that there. Trash. And let's look into this next episode because I can't record for so long. So it's been Sneeze. See you guys later. We'll look in the decks next episode. Bye.